do it, don't turn your foot in so you're pigeon toed. When you go forward, let your foot go forward. Don't come here. Don't turn it in. And don't stand up straight. You can't do a cauliflower this way. You've got to bend your knees. And you can't take great big steps. Keep it close to your toe. Okay, here we go. 5, 6. Ready? 2, 1. Cauliflower. Here we go. Forward and back. Forward. Use your left foot. Forward, back, forward. Cauliflower. 2 cauliflower. Cauliflower. Forward and back. Forward. Other foot. Forward and back. Forward. Cauliflower. Bend your knees. Cauliflower. Forward and back. Forward. What? Forward. Cauliflower. What? Again, cauliflower. Forward and back. Forward. Use your left foot. Forward and back. Forward. Cauliflower. Right foot now. 1, 2. Now the left. Left. Do 4 more. Now the right. Right foot. Let your hips go out. Let the hips go out. Step and hold. No ball changing now. Step and hold. 1, 2. Step. Stop there. Don't put any more counts. It's only 4. Here we go again. 5, 6. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 1, 2, 3. Hold 4. 1, 2. Hold low. 1. One, here we go. 1, 2, the other way. Left, the other way. Right, the other way. Left, come over. One, here we go. Right foot, now the left. Left foot, now the right. Right foot, now the right. Left, come over. 2 more. Right foot, now the left. Left foot, now the right. Right foot, now the left. Left foot, come over. Alright, one more. Knowing you is a figure 8. Your hips are going to make the number 8. And the 8's going to be laying on the ground this way. So the top of the 8 is there. It's not in front of you. You're going to bend your knee. You're going to take your right hip. You're going to take your hip forward and bring it back to make the top loop flat. Bend your knees, take your left hip.